Hello students, we are going to discuss about NTU and NTP concept. What is NTU? Number of transfer unit. NTP is nothing but number of theoretical plate or HETP, height of equivalent theoretical plate concept. This is the newer concept in the analysis of packed column center on the method of transfer unit. This method is more appropriate because change in the composition of the liquid and gaseous phase occur differentially in a packed column rather than in stepwise fashion as in tray column. In this method, height of packing required can be evaluated either based on gas phase or liquid phase. Packing height is calculated using the following formula: Z is equal to NTU into HTU or N into H. Capital N is equal to number of transfer unit of this dimension less. Capital H is equal to height of transfer unit. This is dimension of length. What is NTU and HTU? One by one we will discuss. First one, number of transfer unit or NTU. This is required, is a measure of the difficulty of the separation. Single transfer unit gives the change of composition of one of the phases, either liquid phase or vapor phase, equal to the average driving force producing the change. So, number of transfer unit is similar to the number of theoretical trays required for tray column. Are you clear or not? Okay. NTU is a packed column unit. So, this is similar to number of theoretical trays required for tray column. Tray column is nothing but plate column. Large number of transfer unit will be required for a very high purity product. Are you clear or not? Okay. NTU is increasing. What about the purity? Purity also very high or increasing. So, number of transfer unit is directly proportional to purity. So, the height is increasing, the NTU value. So, the purity also very high. Are you clear or not? Okay. This is the number of transfer unit. So, the number of transfer unit in packed column. So, whereas tray column, this is equal to theoretical trays. Are you clear? Okay. What is HTU? HTU is nothing but height of transfer unit. So, it is a measure of the separation effectiveness of the particular packing for a particular separation process. So, already we have some idea about the mass transfer coefficient. So, the more efficient the mass transfer or larger mass transfer coefficient, so the HTU values are smaller. The values of HTU can be estimated from empirical equation or pilot plant test, but the applications are rather restricted. That is a restricted one. Are you clear? Okay. So, next one, NTP or HETP. So, here HETP, that is nothing but height equivalent to theoretical plate. So, this is called the HETP or defined by the equation. So, this value, HETP value, depends upon the packing type, size, liquid viscosity, surface tension and operating condition. So, viscosity, resistance offered by the fluid, surface tension, force per meter, Then operating condition, pressure and temperature. Surface tension is also nothing but this is the per meter or per length how much force is acting. This is a tensile force. Are you clear? Okay, this is a surface tension. In the absence of detailed information on the HTP, so following rough approximations are sufficient. Two type of the packings are there. One is a random packing, another one structural packing. So the absence of HTP, for random packing, HTP is equal to 0.6 meter. This is a rough approximation. Whereas structural packing, HTP is approximately equal to 0.3 meter. So what is the formula for HTP? HTP is equal to packed height divided by number of equivalent equilibrium stages. That is equal to capital H by N suffix TH. That is a number of equivalent equilibrium stages. Okay. Thank you for your attention.